The Home Business Academy HBA potential customers. Learn how to make an expected $150 every month 100% free to pay your Home Business Academy monthly membership. This is a screenshot of an expected income proof. When you simply complete this one task daily that I will share with you shortly, you can earn $150 every month 100% free. You can cash out the same day or once you've earned $150. Hi, I'm Anita, a former flight attendant and real estate agent. I resigned from both jobs for time freedom and to pursue entrepreneurship from home. On this channel, I guide people on earning extra income online from the comfort of their homes. Join me as I share insights and strategies for financial success without leaving your home. In this video, I will show you how to earn an extra $150 every month in disposable income, 100% free, without spending your existing household income. Then invest it in the Home Business Academy to pay the $25 or $150 monthly membership. I understand how tough it can be when you don't have extra money to invest in an online business that will help improve your family's financial future. And this situation can be discouraging. The proven way to easily earn an expected $150 is by participating in simple, legitimate online activities from home, such as paid surveys, product testing, online focus groups, in-person focus groups, and phone surveys. You can do this using your cell phone, laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. You can make a realistic $150 this month by completing 5 qualified surveys each day, spending 2 to 4 hours a day for 30 days doing easy paid surveys, and earning up to $5 per day. Once you accumulate a minimum of 500 points, which is equivalent to $5, you can instantly redeem it for cash directly into your bank account. Keep in mind that one survey point is equivalent to 1 cent, and 120 points are equivalent to $1.20. Now, I will explain how you can join Survey Junkie 100% free and start earning as soon as tonight and cash out in 2 hours. Step 1. Click my website link in the YouTube description or pinned in the comments section shown here. Step 2. On this page, click the green Join Now button shown here. Then enter your main email address. Then click the Sign Up button shown here. Step 3. Click the green Start Now button. Answer the 5 questions, then click the Login and Start Earning button shown here. Step 4. Before you click the green Start Profile button here, click your email right now. Step 5A. Click on the Survey Junkie. Please confirm your email address, email shown here. Step 5B. Click the green Click to Confirm email button shown here. This is to verify your email address so you are paid without delay. Step 6A. Go back to Survey Junkie website. Now click the green Start Profile button shown here. Step 6B. Follow the on-screen instructions. Sorry about that. So, step 6B. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the 3 minutes general profile questionnaire. Step 7. On the left-hand side of the survey page, follow the on-screen steps to complete the quick start checklist shown here. The ad extension and the desktop app, these are optional. Step 8. On the left-hand side, under Get Higher Paying Surveys to unlock more surveys and earn more money, complete your entire profiles shown here. Step 9A. Start taking 5 qualified surveys per day that add up to 500 points, again, which is equivalent to $5, to earn $150 monthly. Step 9B. This is an example for 5 daily qualified surveys. If you complete 5 surveys that add up to these points, once you add these points up, they equal 610 points, which is equivalent to $6.10. Step 10. Tonight, cash out when you make 500 points or a redeemable $5 or more, as shown here. Step 11. To cash out, click on the green Redeem Now button shown here. Step 12. Select one payment method shown here: Visa gift card, e-gift card, PayPal, or bank transfer. Step 13A. Before cashing out your points for cash, you must verify your identity. This is for security purposes. Follow the on-screen instructions to get your verification code emailed to you, as shown in the next slide. This is the email. You'll click the email, then you will copy the verification code sent to your email inbox shown here. Step 13B. Enter or paste the verification code here and click the green Verify button shown here. The money you've earned for the day will be deposited into your bank account in 2 hours after you redeem for cash, unless stated otherwise. This screenshot is my actual $7.06 daily Survey Junkie direct deposit payment proof that was deposited directly into my bank account. Step 15. Final important step. Remember to check your email immediately. Look for "Please confirm your email address" from Survey Junkie. Then click the green "Click here to confirm" button to be paid daily, as shown in the next slide. Click the Survey Junkie "Please confirm" email. Click the green "Click to confirm" button to make sure you get paid. If you're interested in getting started with making a 100% free $150 this month, be sure to visit my website in the first link in my YouTube description or pinned in the comments section, as shown in the next slide. Click my website link here in the YouTube description or here pinned in the comment section. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my videos on how to make money without leaving your home while using your cell phone, laptop, tablet, or desktop computer, all for free. Stay tuned for income-proof videos from other members. I'll see you in the next video. Be blessed. Again, start earning an extra $150 or more every month right now, taking easy and legitimate paid surveys. Click my link below the video right now to start earning your easy $5 or more as soon as tonight.